What's going on, you guys? Connor. Oh, wait a second. I forgot. You guys haven't seen Winston in a while, and today I'm going to be showing you a dog-related product that you guys can sell and market, so why not bring Winston in here, okay? And also, when I bring him in here, make sure you guys smash the like simultaneously, alright, when you see him, because he got really, really cute in the last couple days. So here's Winston again. Look how big he's getting. You're so big, buddy. He's a little drop-shipping doggy. I'm teaching him how to drop-ship. I haven't actually tested any product. Actually, I did test one product on him. It was like a little dog brush, and he seemed to like it a lot, so... yeah, this is Winston. Now it was his 4-month birthday yesterday. So big deal. We took him to the vet. He got all his shots and everything. So yeah, he's getting to be a big boy. But watch this, you guys. We've been teaching him some tricks here. If you guys don't want to watch this, go ahead and skip forward. It's okay. Winston, can you give me Nux? Nux? Come on, buddy. You got the big stage. Winston, Nux. Nux. Good boy. You guys see that? Winston, Nux. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, see? So we're trying to train him up a little bit here. But yeah. Winston is back in action. Winston, look at the camera, buddy. Look at the camera. Right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah, so that's Winston. I'll put him down. He's got to eat. It's a dog-inspired product, right? I do have a dog, so I know how to market products too. You know, dog owners and stuff like that. This is a product I think will be great coming into the winter season, you guys. This is a dog jacket that's completely waterproof. It's for, you know, large dogs, small dogs, whatever it may be. And it's just a coat that you can put on them in the winter months, especially if it's like an outdoor dog. You want to keep your dog safe because dogs can get frostbite similar to humans, right? If they're out in the elements, especially if it's a place where it's snowy and stuff like that, if they're out in the elements for too long, they can get frostbite and they can get really cold, even though they do have a large, you know, most dogs have a large fur coat. This is a great product you can market to people's emotion and, you know, kind of put the fear in them, like you need to be treating your dogs a little bit better. Make sure you guys have one of these coats. If I lived in a really, really cold area, I would definitely be getting this product for my dog because I wouldn't want him to feel cold, right? Like he's like a kid to me. So anything I could do to protect him would be perfect. So I think if someone saw this product, someone saw one of your ads, it would be amazing. So just go through the product here. It's $7 to $14 on AliExpress here, different colors. Check the reviews on Amazon. Someone's selling it here for 20 bucks. 4 stars, 350 reviews. They have some great pictures here. So fleece material on the inside, waterproof on the outside. Suitable for all leashes, you know, waterproof zipper and everything. So you can basically put like the collar or the, you know, the leash through the vest itself. So you can still like walk your dog and whatnot, which is very, very smart. So now we'll go ahead and jump over into my ads manager. So in my ads manager, this is exactly how you guys are going to set up this campaign, right? In order to create the video, you guys can create the video yourself using the previous video that you just watched, how to create the video using Adobe Premiere, or what you can do is click the first link in the description, get dropship vids, fast video, or just make it, you know, have a friend make it or something like that, hire it on Fiverr. There's tons of different options, but for this we're going to be using a $50 a day CBO strategy. I'll just name this one. We're just going to name this dog vest cold weather, and I like to always put the date at the front so I know what date I'm going to launch this product. And then same thing here, you guys. For you guys can do tier 1 countries, right? So you can include the tier 1 countries. If you want to add the tier 1 countries, you just click here, click countries, and then you'd add in all the countries, right? So you just put them in there. For this one, I'll just do the big 4, so United Kingdom, US, Canada, and Australia. So we're just going to do big 4 on this one. And then age range, I'd actually put this a little bit higher. So age range, I put it around 22 to 65 plus. Leave that broad. And then edit placements, what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and uncheck desktop. And we'll scroll all the way down to right here where we get to 1-day click. Then you're going to click on continue. We're going to want to make sure that you select your correct Facebook page. So you're going to want to make sure you upload a video. I just uploaded an image since I don't have a video of this ad necessarily right now. So for the primary text, what I'd say on it is hypothermia is caused by prolonged exposures to very cold temperatures. And then I'd say keep your dog safe this winter. Then you can put some check marks or you can put like a testimonial. What I do is just do like 5-star emoji. And then what we can do is just do like a quick testimonial saying like, my dog doesn't have the most fur and we live in a very cold area. So this vest has helped him stay warm and cozy through the cold weather. Love it. Shipping, so at the bottom you can just say get yours 50% off with free shipping and then just do a link. Very simple like that. Heading can be dogs get hypothermia too. All right, so kind of like a question like dogs get hypothermia too? Like what? I didn't know that. And description can just be 50% off plus free shipping, right? Very simple. Website URL, www. whatever your product page is, right? Product page link.com. And then call to action, I always do as shop now. So that's basically your ad. What I do is you can get 2 different ad variations, right? So all you have to do is just go down here, we'll click on close, save as draft. And then once you get the ad here, right, this is going to be ad variation 1. So add variation 1. And then just click on duplicate. And that way you can duplicate this to make 2 different ad variations. So you have one ad variation, just the video. And then on the second ad variation, this one, just change the first 3 seconds. So ad variation 2 and just change the first 3 seconds of the video. That's just the scroll stopper, right? So very simple. Now what we can do is we can just go back here, make sure our time's set correctly. So we'll just change this to the 20th, put this at 12 a.m., right? So we're launching at the right time. And then all we're going to do is just click on duplicate and duplicate this 9 times, so that way we have our 10 total ads at a $50 a day budget. Now that we have all of our ad sets duplicated, we can go in there and select basically all of our interests. All right, so we'll go ahead and jump right into it. On the first one here, we're going to go down to detailed targeting, and we're going to type in, the first thing I like to do is the product name and the niche itself. So this is just going to be, let's do dog handler, dog sitter. Let's just type in dogs at first. And then obviously this thing's not working right now. That's okay, but I know that the size is big enough, so we'll do dogs. Sometimes the audience definition won't work, just the way it is sometimes. So we'll do dogs, and I also want to do like something related to like winter. So winter storm, maybe 7 million. Try this one out. And then something else related to dogs. So we'll say like dog grooming, probably dog groomer, dog trainer, dog walker. Oh, these are all job titles. So dog food, I know that's related to it. Good, so 26 million there. We want to do some maybe dog food brands actually. So maybe like something like IAMS, I think IAM. Okay, IAM brand 7 million, perfect. So I kind of get creative with the interest, as you guys have seen, right? You got to get creative with the interest sometimes when you're doing them, because you don't always want to stick to what everyone else is doing. Get creative with it. Use dog food brands. We can do Petco. Pet store we can do is PetSmart. Just thinking of other like animal type related stuff. I think ASPCA would be a good one. Let's see if that pops up. Yep, this is a good one. It is a little bit smaller, but I think this is probably a group of people that are very passionate animal, lovers, right? So I think that'd be a good one to use. The last 3 interests would be, we can do something a little bit more broad. So maybe people who are, maybe like families will have dogs, right? We can just type in like family. Then we can narrow this one by engaged shoppers for sure. 49 million, that's a good size. I also like to, in the range of 40 to 60 million, right? I like to also have like a good range of audiences. I don't want all of them to be like 5 or 6 million, or all of them at like 50 million. I want there to be like audiences of sizes of 5 million, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Like all in that range. That's going to help you diversify your different audience types. So for the last 2 interests, so we have dogs, we have winter. Let's type in something related to like, what about like puppy? That might be good too. Puppy, puppy lovers. Let's just type in puppy, because I think people with puppies probably, if they're going outside, I think they're at more risk for hypothermia, obviously, because they're not as fully developed, they're not big enough, so they're more susceptible to that kind of thing. Similar with babies, right? They're not able to, like, they don't really know if they're getting cold or they're getting warm, right? Since they're just puppies. So that's something that I could do is, let's type in puppy again. Animal rescue, I think that's actually a really good one. Yeah, perfect. All right, awesome. So I think this is I think Animal Rescue is a TV show, if I'm not mistaken. But there we go. So we have a TV show, we have the niche itself, we have the product itself, we have stores related to it, we have dog food brands, and we have ASPCA, Society for Animals overall. So like all of these, you guys, are all diversified interests. It really is not that hard to launch a product. The key is just going out there, testing things. You're only spending $50 on this. If you make the ad yourself, it's still only $50. If you go buy an ad, it's going to cost you another $50-$60, right? So $50, $100 product test, very simple for you guys. Let me know how this does for you. This video will have a giveaway. How you can enter the giveaway is basically by liking this video, smashing the like button, commenting on the video, and then turning on post notifications and making sure that you're subscribed, okay? Just do those 3 simple things. You're entered to win the giveaway, and what you guys get is the free 30-minute call with myself. I'll go ahead and at the end of this video show you guys a testimonial about someone that I worked with, one of my students, throughout our month. He absolutely crushed it, okay? So go ahead and watch that quick little video.
Hey guys, how you doing? So I'm going to show you more or less what my experience was with Connor's mentorship. As you can see, that month we made 25K. So at the beginning, Connor showed me how to optimize my store, how to create ads, basically how to do everything from scratch. And after that, at the beginning of May, we managed to find our winning product, and we started to scale it, and that month we made 25K. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Connor is really easy to talk to. He really knows what he's doing. So if anyone is looking for some mentorship or anything like that, I think that Connor is a great option.
So you guys know a little bit more about, my mentorship program. If you guys are interested in it, let me know. If not, keep watching my free videos and try and win the free giveaway calls that I'll be doing every week. All right, so you guys have a good rest of your day, rest of your week. Hopefully you guys absolutely crush Q4. You guys, Q4 is coming up. Crush it as always. Keep your mind right. Peace.